Hey Parnassus scholars, it's me again, Magister Beck, one of the Phi Ed teachers here at your school. I am not wearing my mask currently right now because I am at my home, my safe place, so I'm not needed to wear a mask. But when we are in school at Parnassus, we do have to wear a mask all day except when we are eating. Just a little reminder for you guys. Alright, I'm just going to shoot a quick little video to show you guys the basic warm-up we want you to do when you're home. Jogging or walking, if you're outside, that'd work perfectly. You can go around your house or down your driveway and back, or if you're in an apartment, you can go up and down the hall. Like I said, if you don't want to run, you can walk. But try to jog, get the muscles warmed up. You can even jog in place like I am right now, just for a couple minutes to get all the blood flowing in your body. Next one is jumping jacks, just like so. And I can't remember how many Magister Cole, myself, and Mr. Mangold put on the sheet, but you'll be able to find that on the website. Next one is the basic squat. So you want your feet about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. And you're going to squat down. You can put your hands in front of you if you want to help you balance, and then come up. So from the side, it would look like this. Basically like you're going to sit down in a chair. Push your butt back like you're going to sit down on a chair and then come up. Next one we want you to do are basic push-ups. So you don't necessarily need your arms or shoulders straight up like this. You can have them in a little bit. It'll be easier on your shoulder. So you go down, hands a little wider than shoulder width apart. What you want to do is go down like you're going to touch your nose to the ground and come up. So from the side, you don't want your butt up. You don't want your back sagging like this. Try to keep your back nice and flat the whole entire time and go down and up, down and up. And like I said, you can keep your elbows tucked in a little bit and then come up. Now for you that it might be a little bit of a struggle to do these because you're not quite as strong yet, you'll get a little stronger as you get older. You can put your knees on the ground. Same concept. You don't want your butt in the air, your back really bent. Just get that nice flat back. Same concept, down and up. It's just a little easier because you're pushing less of your body weight. Oh, the ground's a little wet. It just rained here. All right. Last one we want you to do is ab sit-ups or crunches. So what you want to do is lay down on the ground. Legs bent. Feet flat on the ground, and you're going to lay down, and when you come up, you want to come up with your arms crossed over your chest or behind your head. If they're over your chest, just touch your elbows to your thighs. So down, and then lift your shoulder blades up, and touch your elbows to your thighs. Down and up. And if you're doing this at home, you can tuck your feet underneath the couch or a chair to hold you, so it's easier to go up and down. Or else you can have one of your parents or siblings hold your feet, so it's a lot easier for you to go up and down, so you're not like lifting your body up. So basically we want you to jog, walk in your apartment, house, outside, get the blood flowing, do that for a couple minutes. Jumping jacks you can also utilize, the squat, the push-ups, and sit-ups to work your abs. And we will see you next time. Have a great day.